Welcome viewers. Today's Power videos contains how you can implement maps inside your Power BI visuals. Yes, we can implement maps. It can be a global map or a country level map or a location wise map inside Power BI, and that too in a very easy process. So my whole effort is to show you how you can implement similar map visuals inside Power BI. So for that, what I'm doing, I am basically sharing you the data set. Understanding the data set is very, very important because map will not work with every data. It can have some specific data basis on which it can work. It can be a country name, it can be city name, it can be pin code or zip code, or it can be some precise location inside a particular city. In that case, complete address can be provided. So here you can see this data. We have plotted some flight number. Here is the source and here is the destination. You can see in both in the source and destination, some major places have been mentioned: Mumbai to Dubai, Paris to Orlando, New Delhi to Bangalore. And point to be noted, I have never mentioned any country name. So, but these are all recognized city names, whether inside India or outside India. So Power BI maps easily can identify and precisely can show the aerial view of that particular location. So first of all, this particular data definitely has to be imported inside Power BI. So for that, already I have opened Power BI. The name of the file is flight details. So because it is already created in Excel, so I'm clicking here inside Excel workbook. I'm just choosing, you can see here the name of the file is coming, and I'm clicking on open. But definitely, while importing the data, I hope you have noticed there was a expanded column appearing. I mean to say this one, this flight detail. So this is an expanded column. So definitely this expanded column we don't require, and hence little bit of transformation must be needed. For more details about transformation, you can check my other videos. So here you can see that it is bringing flight detail inside as a column number 1, and column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5, all these things are automatically being generated by Power BI. So actually we need flight number, source, destination, hours, fare. So we need a kind of transformation. So I'm clicking here on the transform data option. The moment transform data option is clicked inside Power BI, the Power Query Editor will be opened. And this is a one of the strongest weapon inside Power BI. Very complex task, we can solve it very easily. So what we can see here, flight detail, column 2, column 3, etc. are coming. So we want to ignore this first row. So we are clicking use first row as header. And now you can see that flight number, source, destination, hours, fare, all these things have become the actual column name. After doing the small changes, I am doing close and apply, so that this cleanest data I can use inside my Power BI visual report. So what I'm doing, initially I'm choosing a very tabular data. Initially, I'm choosing a tabular data where I can plot all these columns in the row and column format. So what I'm doing, I'm clicking here and you can see here a table map will be a table chart will be included. So I'm clicking here. You can see here, I can drag it and place it somewhere. So I'm doing nothing much about it. You know that this is our data set, flights. So what I'm doing, I'm quickly choosing flight number, putting inside columns, then source, putting again inside columns, destination, putting after source, fare, I'm putting here, and number of hours I'm putting here. Now these two columns are basically numeric, so automatically a sum function is being applied, which I can rectify from here. I'm clicking on this drop down and I am saying don't summarize. So you can see here no totaling is coming. Same activity I can do along with sum of hours column. So I'm saying don't summarize. And little bit of formatting definitely we can do. For that we have to click on the formatting button. I am trying to apply some colors and increase the fonts for the column headers. And definitely if you want, you can apply some suitable background color as well. But for this I have to go to values. Again, similar things we are doing. I'm trying to keep the same font, and that's perfect. I'm choosing a light background color. So now this is not a map. Definitely it is a tabular data. Now, where do you find the maps? I'm coming to the visualization pane. In the visualization pane, you will see that a map symbol is coming with a globe sign. So first of all, I'm clicking on a blank area. I'm clicking a map and some particular area I'm fixing. I will take two maps. What is my intention? For example, if I choose New Delhi to Bangalore, in one frame, I need to check I should see the map of New Delhi. And similarly, I'm taking another map of same. So hence I'm clicking here. I'm placing it here adjacent to this particular map. And against New Delhi, what is the destination? Destination is Bangalore. So this Bangaluru's map I should see over here. So that's my intention. So if you click on a particular map visual, see, many people believe that probably Microsoft is taking Google Maps help. It is not like that. Internally, they use a third-party services called ArcGIS. So often these types of maps are called, you can see here map, and this is adjacent field map, but both are coming due to a service provided by another organization called ArcGIS. Anyway, so we are selecting the first map visual. Now every map visual will have three properties: location, legend, and later on you will find latitude and longitude. Latitude and longitude is precisely mentioned if you are not sure about the place name. It can be a forest, it can be a remote island. So however, in our case, all these city names are prime cities, and that's why what I'm doing, I'm choosing source inside location. So here you will get a global map. You can see all the continents are coming. Exactly the same thing I'm doing. Exactly the same thing I'm doing. And this is basically here I'm putting destination. So here also you will get similar kind of maps. Now see the wonders. I'm clicking on this particular row where source is New Delhi and destination is Bangalore. So if I click here, inside the first map, you can see this is exactly the aerial view of New Delhi, and this is particularly citizens of Bangalore city can recognize that, yes, this is the aerial view of Bangalore. So let us try to put another thing. Say, for example, London and Prague. So I'm clicking here, automatically the maps will be updated. So this is how we can implement map visual. Similarly, if you can click on any particular record, whatever is the source and whatever is the destination value, basis on these, both these maps will be immediately updated. However, at times you may face some problem that probably the map is not working or it is not showing the map. So don't worry, you have to check your settings. You have to click on file. You have to go to the options and settings. And further, if you click on options, in case this thing has to be followed in case the map is not working. So you will find there is an option called security. From security, if you check, you have to enable both these options. One is called ArcGIS for Power BI and your map and field map visual, because I'm using map. So this checkbox also should be enabled. If it is not, in my system, it is already enabled. In case in your system it is not enabled, you have to make it on. And further, if you click on OK, you will find your maps will start working. So this is how inside Power BI we can implement map visuals. Hope you will like this video session, and do not forget to subscribe our channel, because we will be putting more such useful videos with respect to Power BI topics.